How's it going, you guys? Today we are going to be taking a look at the Flowmaster Outlaw Dual Series exhaust with the Super 10 muffler for the Toyota Tundra. We are going to start this video off with a cold start, and then I'll go more in depth about the product and if it suits you. Alright, you guys, so a little bit more about the exhaust. It is a full bolt-on kit. Comes with clamps and bolts straight onto where the cats are. Runs straight back from the cats with two pipes straight into a Super 10 muffler. And then they both split apart. One goes over the spare tire and the other one goes over the right side of the cab over the axle and comes straight out the back. You come with two options of either having the dual exhaust tips out the back or the dual exhaust tips out the side. I will play a clip for you guys now of the exhaust tips out the side. And of course, the ones out the back. It's all up to personal preference. Doesn't make a noise difference except for in cab. I have quickly came to realize that the exits out the back past your rear bumper will make it a little bit quieter in cab. When you run it up the sides, it is a lot louder in cab. So again, up to preference whether you want that or not. I will do a few things in this video. I'll do a warm start, some drive-bys, a few revs, and then in-cab noise, and show you guys whether or not this is the exhaust for you. Definitely the exhaust for me. I like the truck being louder like that. One thing I do recommend with this kit is taking it straight to a muffler shop after you've gotten it and having someone else weld it, or a muffler shop weld and bolt it on for you. You can do it at home. I did that for quite a while, but I had some problems with the exhaust just kind of sagging and falling apart when I was off-roading, so I ended up just getting it all welded in. Again, up to personal preference on what you use your truck for. If you don't do much off-roading, I'm sure you'll be fine just bolting it on. The retail price starting for this is about upwards of I got it for $8.60, I believe, on the dime. It was on sale, but right now on Extreme Terrain, it is running $900.95. I will put a link in the description on where you can purchase the exhaust. It comes with everything you need, including both exit tips. Comes with these two matte black exhaust tips. They're just completely hollow, mostly for looks. They don't have any sound resonation or detonation in them. Yeah, so we'll start it off with a warm start real quick, and then we'll get a few drive-bys and other things. Alright you guys, so now I am going to do some in-cab driving for you guys. I'm going to start off on just some low RPMs, driving through a neighborhood. And we'll switch over to a main road and probably the freeway. That whistling is from my light bar, not from the Tundra exhaust. Alright, so here's some main road. Just getting up to speed here. So yeah, when you're just moving on the main road and not giving it any gas, just kind of moving along, not loud at all. The in-cab noise really isn't too bad on these Tundras, especially with that loud of an exhaust. So next I'll show you guys a freeway clip where I'm giving it more gas. Alright y'all, so I'm merging onto the freeway. Now I'm gonna do a couple revs for you guys. Just open up this engine, let you guys hear it.